In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install fresh animations for Minecraft 1.21.7. If you find this video guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more Minecraft tutorials. Now, fresh animations upgrades the movement and animations of Minecraft mobs, giving them a smoother and more dynamic look. To start, go ahead and close Minecraft completely, and yes, this does include the launcher. Go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice and search for Fabric Minecraft and go to the official Fabric website, which is fabricmc.net. Go ahead and find the download option right here and click on it and then find download for Windows. Now, if you're on a Mac or Linux, go ahead and use the universal jar download instead. In my case, I'm going to hit download for Windows and it's going to automatically start downloading up here for me. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and download Fabric API, which is required to run most Fabric mods. So go ahead and just search for it in a new tab and open up the CurseForge link. Once you get to this page, go ahead and find the Files tab and then hit All Game Versions and filter by 1.21.7. Find the Fabric version just like so and click the three dots and then hit Download File. It's going to take you to a page where you do need to wait about 5 seconds. There's going to be ads that pop on this page, just don't click any of them. But it's going to automatically download for you right here. Now go back to this browse section and click on Minecraft and then just go ahead and search for all Minecraft mods and search in fresh animations. Click enter and what you're going to want to do is find fresh animations up at the very top, go to files, once again filter by game version by 1.21.7 and then go ahead and click on the three dots and hit download file. Once again, it's going to take you to this page where you do need to wait for 5 seconds and then it's going to automatically download for you up at the very top. Now, in order to run fresh animations, you're also going to need to go ahead and get 2 other different versions of the mods. So go back to the Browse All Minecraft section and search for Entity Model Features just like that. It's going to be this page right here. Go ahead and click on it. Do the exact same thing where you go filter by the game version. If it does only say max of 1.21.6, don't worry. That actually works fine with 1.21.7, so don't worry for that. But essentially find the Fabric version and go ahead and download that file. Wait 5 seconds and then it'll start downloading. The other mod you're going to need is going to be Entity Texture Features. So do that exact same thing. Once again, find it, find files, search for 1.21.6, find the Fabric version, click the 3 dots and hit download file. Once again, it's going to take you to a page where you are going to wait 5 seconds. There's going to be ads on here. For some reason, it's giving me a ton of sunglasses ads. That's actually crazy. But once it all finishes downloading for you, we're ready to move on to the next step. First things first, go ahead and install Fabric by finding that Fabric installer and clicking on it. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Just make sure you're on 1.21.7. Make sure it creates a profile and then hit install. And then hit OK when that finishes. You can close out of all of this stuff now and open up the Minecraft launcher. It's going to load for a second and you're going to want to check to make sure you have a Fabric loader in this section right here for 1.21.7. And when you do, click on it, it's going to stay here and then go to the installations tab, find that same loader, which once again is 1.21.7, and open up the installations folder and find the mods folder within it. If you don't have a mods folder, just go ahead and create one by right clicking, finding new, finding folder, and then typing in mods all lowercase. But essentially keep this page open up just like that and open up another tab and go to your downloads. From here, drag in Fabric API, then drag in Entity Model Features and then Entity Texture Features just like that. Now you can close out of all of these tabs, go back to the play section and hit play. Once you get loaded in, it should look something like this. What you're going to want to do is actually go into the game, find the options section, and then look for the resource packs option in here. Now open up another file explorer, go to the downloads and look for this little pack here. You just need to go ahead and drag this into your Minecraft game in that resource pack section. And it's going to say, do you want to add the following packs to Minecraft? Fresh Animations v1.9.4, 1 for me. Might not say 1 for you, but I've downloaded this a few times now. Just hit yes on this section and it's going to add it in here. Now in my instance, this is the right one right here. I just have to go ahead and click on this little play arrow and then hit done. And it's going to reload Minecraft, but this time I'm going to have better animations. So now when I get loaded into a world, it doesn't even really matter which one it's on. All I have to do is simply take a look at any one of the mobs. And as you can tell, they're actually going to have like smoother animations overall, which low-key looks really nice. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos just like this. Have a great day.